morning, guys, and welcome back to another preparing for fall video in the middle of August. I am so excited about today's video because we are going all out and I cannot wait. Starting off, I woke up and I made my bed. As you can see, it's all decked out for fall. I honestly decorated a little bit of my apartment for fall in one of my other videos, but other than that, I have not decorated yet because my boyfriend doesn't want me to decorate too early, and we do share the apartment, so we compromised on the middle of August, so I'll be doing that soon. I'm putting on my pumpkin eye patches that I got from Amazon. These things are so nice and refreshing, and they really do brighten under my eyes, which I personally really like. They're called the Plumpkin eye patches, which they're amazing. But I woke up, I made my bed, like I was saying. I am going to decorate my apartment in the middle of August is what I was saying, but I wanted to do a little bit of fall decorating, so that's what I did. And then I have some fall candles, some fall lights, and everything like that. And then I watched Gilmore Girls. If you know me, I love Gilmore Girls, and there's something about it that just really reminds me of fall coziness and that autumn feeling, which personally I really like, and I am very excited to continue watching it. I rewatch it every single year during the season, and it makes me so happy. I'm going to do just a little bit of skincare. I'm going to leave my eye patches on, and then I'm just going to use my Tower 28 Daily Rescue facial spray because it's so good and really helps wake me up and make me feel ready for the day. It cleanses my skin so nicely and I love it. That's really all I'm going to do for skincare, other than putting on my lip for the day because I love using this stuff. I'll probably reapply it like 100 times, but I love it. But after I get ready for the day, I am going to actually go fall shopping. I'm so excited for fall shopping. I think I'm going to go fall clothing shopping as well, which is something I cannot wait to do. I really want to go to American Eagle, Hollister, Aritzia, because I heard that Aritzia has amazing clothes for the fall, and I'm so excited. And also Altered State. Me and my friend Riley are actually going to be driving to Jacksonville, which is like an hour and 30 minutes from us, and we are going to go to a mall there because that's where the Altered State is. And I'm so excited because I actually have only been to an Altered State once in New Jersey, and I fell in love with everything when I was in the store, so I'm excited for that. But I'm gonna quickly get ready for the day. I'm gonna probably do that off camera, and then we are going to go get a coffee and then go to the stores, and I'm excited. Just put on my little outfit of the day before I go fall shopping. I'm wearing this really cute crew neck. It's from TikTok Shop. It says East Coast Fall. I'm wearing these yoga pants from American Eagle, and then my knit Uggs because I feel like the Uggs are really screaming coziness. And then one of my best friends, Riley, gave me this little clip. I'm obsessed with this clip. If you know me, I love fall, obviously, and she got me this, and I love it so much. So I'm going to put that on in a little bit. I'm also going to use the Vanilla Skin perfume because I feel like this just screams coziness. And lastly, to pair with my outfit, I'm going to wear this little bag from Urban Outfitters. It's new. I absolutely love it, and I think it looks so cute. I'm also going to put this little bag chain on it because I think it's so stinking cute. This is from American Eagle last year, and I love it. So I think I'm just going to put it right here with like the little locket chain because I feel like that would look cute. Look at how stinking cute that is. And then I'm going to fill my bag. Since this is a new purse, I need to completely fill it. So I always like to put lip liner. I actually have to put some on right now. I like to use the Rhode Lip Shape. This is in the shade Press. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to put on some of the Merit lip gloss because I love this stuff as well. This color is also like screaming fall to me. Look at how pretty that is. Going to put that in there. Rhode Pocket Blush and the Rhode Bronzer. I like to always have these just in case I want to reapply, so I'm going to put that in there. I'm also going to put my sunglasses in here, and of course my phone. I feel like the phone case is just screaming fall and matches the vibes, and also I would take it with me anyway. And then I'm going to wear this clip a little later, but I'm going to put it on my bag for now, and then when I get a little hot, I'm going to put it on. And here is the final look to go fall shopping. I think it's so stinking cute. Now we're going to go fall shopping. I want to go to HomeGoods, Marshalls, Target, Michael's, maybe TJ Maxx, maybe Hobby Lobby, and maybe American Eagle. So we have a lot of places to go. First things first, we need to get a fall coffee. I'm at Starbucks right now, and I'm waiting on the drive-thru line because I want to order my drink with you. I really want pumpkin spice, but both Starbucks and Dunkin' don't have it yet. I think Dunkin's comes out next week and Starbucks is the week after. Don't quote me on that, but I think Dunkin's comes out on the 19th, and right now it's only the 9th. But I still want to get like somewhat of a fall-inspired drink, and I saw this Teddy Graham latte going around on TikTok, and it sounds really good. So how you order it is you get a triple blonde espresso with 1 pump of honey blend syrup, a splash of oat milk, but I'm going to do 2% milk because I'm allergic to oat milk, 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup, brown sugar cream cold foam on top, cinnamon powder in a venti cup. So I'm going to order that, and we're going to see how it tastes. I kind of feel bad saying all of that at the drive-thru. I actually decided to order it through through the app because I was waiting in the drive-thru line, and the drive-thru line was not moving at all and was so slow, and I felt bad ordering it through the drive-thru window because I know it's like a lot to order. So I ordered it online, and my drink's not going to be ready for 25 to 30 minutes. So since it's right next to Target, I am at the Target right now. I'm going to do a little bit of fall shopping, and then we're going to go pick up my drink. So let's go fall shop. I am so excited.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother,
I just got out of Target and I didn't get anything other than a ginger ale 0 sugar because my stomach is being a little weird. But I did want to talk about how there is some stuff now out at Target other than just the dollar section stuff. I feel like for a while there was only the dollar section stuff, which is fine because like it is only August. And at least in New Jersey, if you don't know, I'm in Florida right now. I'm from Jersey though. They never put out Target fall stuff. I want to say like before the middle of August. I was always looking for it towards the end of August and into September. But I feel like this year they're actually putting it out a little bit earlier. There is some fall blankets out. There's no fall pillows at my location yet. No fall pajamas as in like Halloween and stuff out at mine yet. But I saw on TikTok that it is out at some, and there is like cheetah leopard print ones that are out that I actually got when my mom came to visit. So I'll show you guys that when I get home. But other than my ginger ale, I didn't really get anything, but it was still fun to like walk around and smell some candles and really get into that cozy vibe. Now I'm going to go to Starbucks. I actually just got the notification like 5 minutes ago that my order is ready to go pick up. So let's run to Starbucks, pick up my order, give our drink a try, and then go to Home Goods and Marshalls. I just got my drink. It looks beautiful. Look at this color. I'm so excited. This is like screaming fall and coziness to me. Again, this is a triple espresso blonde in a venti cup, brown sugar cold foam, line the cup with caramel, blonde espresso, 1 honey blend syrup, 2 brown sugar syrup, a splash of 2% milk, and cinnamon powder. It looks so good. We're going to give her a try. I need to take a picture first though. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to have like a fall coziness coffee that is from a coffee shop. Oh, this is so good. I'm so happy right now. This is actually one of the best things I've ever had. If you don't know, I'm not a big coffee drinker, an exception to pumpkin, cinnamon, and fall drinks and the holiday drinks. This is so good. It's called the Teddy Graham Latte. I would recommend, like honestly, 9.5 out of 10. I will say I can taste the espresso because espresso is strong in my opinion, but it doesn't bother me because there's so much sweetness in the drink that I really like it. And it reminds me of like coziness and everything that it needs to remind me about fall. Now I'm going to sip on my drink. I want to put on a little fall playlist. I'm in the process of decorating my phone for fall, and I'm going to have that video up soon. Look at how cute my phone lock screen looks. I think that's adorable. This is from Pinterest. I did get a lot of people that were asking where my lock screen was from. It's from Pinterest. If you go to my Pinterest, if you go to the iPhone iOS board and then fall 2026, it's saved under that. But I want to go on Spotify and put on a little fall playlist while we drive to Home Goods. This is the one I'm going to put on, and we're going to sip on our coffee and go to Home Goods. From going to all the stores. Honestly, I didn't get a lot of stuff because I have quite a lot of stuff already, and I honestly just like browsing the stores to see if there's anything new that I do need. But I did get some cute things that I did want to share. Starting off, I got this really cute bear soap dispenser. I think this is adorable. If you know me, you know I love everything bears, especially when it's a bear pumpkin, and I think this is so cute, especially because it is reusable, and I think it's going to look adorable in my kitchen. Going along with that theme, I also got these really adorable bear salt and pepper pepper shakers. I think these are adorable and I'm so excited to start using them. I saw these in the store and I honestly wanted to wait to see if there was a little bit of a cuter one because I wanted to match the theme of pumpkins, but I think they're still really cute, and one of the bears did have a pumpkin on it, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to get it because you know TJ Maxx, sometimes when you see it you have to get it. So I got these two little bear salt and pepper shakers, which I think are really cute. Then going along with the bear theme, I also got this really cute spoon tray. It's a little bear pumpkin tray and I think this is adorable and really matches that pumpkin theme. Then moving on to clothes and like body stuff, I got this pumpkin spice latte Tree Hut sugar scrub. It smells so good and honestly I just cannot wait to use it. I want to do like a fall self-care day and I feel like this is going to be so amazing when I do that. And then I just got some like fall dresses because I'm in Florida. I was looking for a lot of things that still match like the Florida vibe, like heat wise, because it's very hot here still, and honestly it doesn't get too cold here until November, December, and even then there's days where it's 90 degrees and then days where it's 50, so it really just depends. But starting off, I got this beautiful polka dot long maxi dress. I think this is so cute and really giving fall. I also think that polka dots are very in right now and I love the colors of the dress as well. Moving along, I got another brown dress. I got this really pretty brown maxi dress as well. I think this is really giving autumn and is going to match perfect with my new purse that I got. That is everything I got from the store. I am so excited about everything that I got. I'm still looking for a few things, but honestly I can't wait to decorate. September is going to be here so soon and I'm getting so excited just to be able to really embrace that fall vibe even more. Right now I think I'm going to grab my laptop and I want to do some fall planning. If you know me, I love Pinterest and I love looking for things on Pinterest, and that's kind of like where I get my inspiration from. So I think I'm going to grab my laptop and do a little bit of fall planning and also probably make like a fall wallpaper as well for my laptop. It's actually the next day now. I did do a little bit of Pinterest scrolling, but I honestly did not film that much of it, and then I honestly went to bed because I wasn't feeling too good. But earlier today, me and my friend went to the mall in Jacksonville like I was telling you guys, and that mall was so pretty. We went to Aritzia and probably spent like an hour there because they had so much good stuff, especially for fall. And I also went to Altered State, and then some of my packages that I ordered online came in the mail. A little bit of like a clothing haul. Starting off with Aritzia, I'm so excited about this. I got a really cute little workout legging pant. I don't have any of the butter leggings from Aritzia, and my friend Riley told me they're really good, so I ended up getting these. It's in this brown color. The leggings are so soft and honestly really do feel like butter. I'm so excited to wear these and I honestly just love the color. Next, moving on, I also got a new little shirt from Aritzia. I really like the way this one is structured. I think it's so pretty and really screams fall, and it's also very flattering on, which I really love. I also love the material of it. I cannot wait to wear it. And then the last thing I got from Aritzia is this silk satin dress. This one was screaming fall to me. It kind of reminds me of something Blair from Gossip Girl would wear. I think this is so stinking cute and I cannot wait to wear it to like a nice little dinner. That is everything I got from Aritzia. Then moving on, I ordered some stuff from Liaison the Label. I ordered this from their recent drop and all of this screams fall to me as well. So first things first, I got this really cute tank top. It's like a butter yellow and brown tank top and it says Liaison on it. I think it's so stinking cute and I can't wait to wear it. And then I also got a little workout set from Liaison the Label in the same color scheme. So I got this brown and yellow little sports bra, and then I got shorts to go with it. This is what they look like and I think it just screams fall, and I'm so excited to wear these because I've been wanting to wear a workout set for like an Orange Theory class. And then the last thing, my friend actually got it for me and I'm so excited about this. She got me the little park clip. Look at how stinking cute this is. And then it came with this little polka dot pouch. Like I said, I love polka dots. They remind me of fall, and I think all of this together is so stinking cute and I'm so excited about it. So that's my little haul. I am actually now going to go do some fall baking. As you guys know, I love baking, especially during the fall. There's something about it that just screams coziness to me. And I found the Pillsbury Ghost and Pumpkin cookies at Target and I want to make them. So I think that is the last thing we're going to do for this video, to really get into those vibes, because I feel like it's not a true fall video in my opinion without some type of cozy fall baking or fall cooking. So let's go to the kitchen, put on some candles, and do some fall baking. my cookies and had some. They are just so good and really just remind me of fall. There's something about the Pillsbury pumpkin and ghost cookies that just remind me so much of coziness and fall, and they're also so good and such a good treat. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited that we are finally in August because that means we're almost to the burr months. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.